I'm out of my head, out of my mind, oh why? If you let me, I'll be out of my dress and into your arms tonight. Yeah, I'm lost without it. Feels like I'm always waiting. I need you to come get me out of my head and into your arms tonight.
The situation in this video is about a car owner brought his car to Fast and Furious Auto Service for repair because suddenly his car broke down while heading to a meeting. He asked the mechanic to call and let him know how much it will cost before doing the work. But the mechanic didn't call, and when car owner called the mechanic, he rudely told the car owner that he has already done the work and the bill is 3,500, but the car owner was not satisfied with the job done, and when he inspected the car owner got angry and requested to see the manager to report the problem. On the end of the roleplay, the manager offered a solution to satisfy the car owner and all the problem settled.
My car broke down again. I'm late to the meeting now.
1 hour later.
Hello sir. I have problem with my car and it doesn't seem to run right. Check the condition of my car please. Tomorrow I'm going to come and pick up the car.
Moments later.
This is my phone number. When you find the problem of my car, please let me know first before you do the job.
Sure sir, I will take a look at your car, then I will call you back if I know the problem.
The next day.
I'm busy.
A few moments later.
Hello sir. Why did I call you a lot of times but you did not answer?
Sorry, I'm busy repairing your car.
What? Before repairing the car, I told you, you must inform me first.
But I have just finished fixing your car and the cost is 3,500 ringgit.
The prices are extraordinary. And how do I want the payment to be set?
Go pay in the office. I have changed a lot of things on your car to make your life easier for you, but you still mad at me.
Of course I made. You changed a lot of things without telling me first. I want to see your manager and to tell him about your attitude and this issue. And now I'm going to the workshop.
Moments later.
Hello, Mr. John. I want to complain about your employer. He changed a lot of stuff on my car without informing me in advance, even though I told him first to inform me if they need something to be fixed.
Forgive me, sir. I don't really know what happened to your car. Can you take a good look at your car first? From what I see, I think I can come up with some solution for this problem, so we can solve it in a good way.
Of course, Mr. John.
What if I give you a 30% discount to you? So the price should be 2,450. What do you say?
Okay, I think it's gonna work too.
Well, I am happy you agree with me.
Okay, I will pay after the discount.
Thank you, sir. I promise this problem is not going to happen again.